And we're out in the sunshine on Friday the 17th of April, day 25 of the UK lockdown. I was just looking around to see what that noise was. I don't think it's an aeroplane, so we'll carry on. Okay, it's me, Peter Moorhead, out in the garden, and today we're going to go and do some abs exercises. This one I call Pendulum, which is one that I made up for one of my clients a couple of years ago, and I know you're either going to love it or hate it. So let's show you what we're going to do first of all. Lying down on the mat, or your folded blanket if that's all you have, or at least a cushion to protect your coccyx, your tailbone. I'm gripping hold of the edge of the mat with my hands because they're going to be a guide for this one. And then keeping my feet and knees together, I'm bringing my knees up close to my chest, keeping my feet and knees closely together, and then turning from one side and then the other side and straightening my legs. If you need to at this point, you can rest your feet on the floor for a second. Then do the same thing again, pick them up, touch, touch, and down. So when I'm saying touching, what I'm actually doing is bringing my thighs down so I can feel my wrist on my thighs, and then round to the other side so you know you've gone far enough. Okay, each time we're alternating. So let's give that a go from the start. I'm going to face upwards because that's the natural way to be. Starting from there, with the lungs full of air. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So all I'm doing is alternating one side, back to straight again, and then the other side. Continue this exercise for your 1 minute, rolling your body from one side to the other side, straightening your legs, and if you need to, have a rest in between. Touch, touch, and down. Breathe out, out, and in. Breathe out, out, and in. Touch, touch, and down. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, my stunning assistant tells me that our minute is, she hates it when I say that our 1 minute is up, and that's Pendulum completed. So you can find this and all the other exercises that we've done in our 1 minute workout session on my YouTube channel, Peter Moorhead, or on our Facebook page, Celebrate Personal Training. Until tomorrow, have a good day.